Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your minivan is equipped with third row power folding seats and they are not working, so you can't fold them down. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. The power folding seat fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the vehicle battery. Now, to lift the cover, you will have two black clips on the right side, one here, one here. You want to press both of them to unlock it and then lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Fuse you are looking for is fuse number J1. It's a 40 amp fuse located right here. Hopefully this fuse is burnt and that will fix your problem. If not, next thing I would look at would be the power folding seat switch itself, and the next thing will be the wiring. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.